Sebelum menonton, jangan lupa like, subscribe, dan tekan tombol lonceng. Selamat menyaksikan.
Keikutsertaan Kementerian Perindustrian pada Expo 2020 Dubai pada tanggal 22-28 Oktober 2021 semakin mengukuhkan eksistensi industri halal di Indonesia. Sebagai negara dengan mayoritas muslim terbesar, Indonesia memiliki target menjadi pusat industri halal dunia. Apalagi potensi ini didukung dengan populasi muslim dunia pada tahun 2030 yang diproyeksi mencapai 2,2 miliar orang atau 26,5% dari populasi dunia. Selain itu, data State of Global Islamic Economy Report 2020-2021 menunjukkan bahwa market size ekonomi syariah di industri halal mencapai 2,2 triliun US dollar pada 2019 untuk kebutuhan makanan, farmasi, kosmetik, fashion, pariwisata, dan lain-lain. Bahkan berdasarkan Global Islamic Economy Indicator, peringkat ekonomi syariah Indonesia naik dari peringkat kelima menjadi peringkat keempat dengan Malaysia, Arab Saudi, dan Persatuan Emirat Arab. Selain itu, indikator GIEI menunjukkan Indonesia berada pada posisi teratas sebagai konsumen makanan halal, urutan kedua sebagai kosmetik halal, dan peringkat keempat sebagai konsumen obat-obatan halal dunia. Pada tahun 2017, permintaan produk halal di Indonesia telah mencapai 218,8 miliar US dollar atau sekitar 22% dari total PDB Indonesia. Konsumsi ini diperkirakan akan terus tumbuh sejalan dengan pertumbuhan populasi muslim Indonesia.
The government has narrowed down 7 major industries to pioneer this program, which are food and beverage industry, textile and fashion industry, automotive industry, petrochemical industry, electronical industries, pharmaceutical industries, and medical devices industries. These 7 sectors are expected to contribute 70% of total manufacturing GDP, 65% of manufacturing exports, 60% of industrial labor. As part of the program, Indonesia became the official partner country at the digital edition of Hannover Messe 2021 and will continue to be the official partner for Hannover Messe in 2023. In addition, we are preparing the Indonesian Digital Industrial Center PD 4.0 as a benchmark for the Making Indonesia Showcase 4.0 of various countries and industrial sectors. Ladies and gentlemen, one major sector we are focusing on as a majority Muslim country is to develop the halal industry that has flourished into the fastest growing global business worldwide. This is in line with the increasing number of countries that acknowledge the halal concept as one of the determining factors of a product's quality. Although halal is related to the specificity of Muslims in their consumptions and utilization, the halal products are not only intended for Muslims, but also for all the people regardless their religion. Interestingly, we have found that the leading countries' utilization and consumption of halal goods are in fact dominated by countries where the majority of its population are non-Muslims. A good example is Thailand, one with the most advanced research in halal. Then there is also Brazil, one of the largest producing halal food and beverage. Globally, the world Muslim population in 2030 is projected to reach 2.2 billion people, or 26.5% from the world population, and this will potentially become an enormous global halal market. Moreover, for the state of the Global Islamic Economic Report data 2020-2021, it shows that the market size of the Islamic economy in halal industry reached 2.2 trillion US dollar in 2019 for daily necessities for food, pharmaceuticals, cosmetics, fashion, tourism, and other Sharia sectors. This is an increase of 3.2% compared to 2018. Furthermore, based on the Global Islamic Economic Indicator, GIEI, Indonesia's Islamic economy went up from 5th to 4th, with Malaysia, Saudi Arabia, and United Arab Emirates as the top 3 respectively. Other indicators published by GIEI showed Indonesia in the top position as consumer of halal food, second place as the consumer of halal cosmetic, and ranked number 4 as the consumer of halal medicines in the world. This proves that the halal food sector has become the largest pillar of the halal industry in terms of revenue, with its market share which reached 70% in 2014 and continues to grow.
Untuk itu, sebagai bagian dari upaya penguatan daya saing industri halal, Kementerian Perindustrian telah menetapkan kawasan industri halal, di mana infrastruktur yang disediakan memiliki sistem dan fasilitas yang hanya memproduksi produk halal sesuai dengan Halal Product Assurance System. Saat ini terdapat 3 kawasan industri yang siap menyediakan kawasan halal di kawasan industrinya, yaitu Modern Cikande Industrial Estate, Bintan Inti Industrial Estate, serta kawasan industri halal Safe and Lock Sidoarjo, Jawa Timur. Selain itu, Kemenperin mengembangkan 27 kawasan industri yang sebagian besar tersebar di luar Jawa yang masing-masing diperuntukkan khusus bagi industri agro, industri batubara, industri penerbangan, industri logam dasar, dan industri minyak dan gas. Tim Eljan Media melaporkan.